I'm leaving home for the coastline, someplace under the sun. I feel my heart for the first time.
Hello.
Good morning. It's a beautiful sunny day here in North Olympic Peninsula, Washington State. We're Brent and Amy Powell. And
22
we're
degrees.
What is it?
22.
I don't know, it feels like 10 below. But this is one of the rare cold snaps. This has been as cold as it's ever been since we've been here. It got down to, what's the coldest we had, 13?
I don't know. Yeah.
Yeah, now some of you, if you live in Iowa, God bless you.
Montana.
What was Montana this morning? 50 below?
Something like that.
Yeah. But anyway, I'm running on, getting cold, so we're going to have to wrap this up.
There are 9 homes today.
Yeah.
We're going to talk about the 9 that have sold in the last week. That's what we do. We're Brent and Amy Powell, and we are with Ideal Real Estate.
Yeah, that's a little change. We used to be Keller Williams, and it's not actually official yet, but we're getting
I think it is. I think it is, yeah.
Okay, we have
so
to
the whole Keller Williams group here moved and became a local group, Ideal
yeah.
Real Estate. Anyway, onward.
Okay, so we're going to start with Port Angeles homes, and you want to tell them about the intro? Yeah.
Logan did a video of Port Williams area, which is east of Sequim. It's kind of the view that you see from Bell Hill and Sequim off to the northeast, and there's a park down by the water and stuff.
Yeah. Now you might be wondering, what's with the weird hat? Well, Amy picked it up at a local craft fair.
No, I didn't.
Your hat. No, actually, just a quick word on my hat. This is just a marvelous hat that actually fits my big head. We have a client that we've sold him a couple of houses, and we were visiting her the other day, and she says, Dan, who was her husband that passed away a couple of years ago, had this really cool hat given to him, and you're the only one I can think of that it would fit. And
too silly
you might
enough.
wear it. So far I've been chicken to wear this thing downtown. I probably will never do that. But anyway, so you get the privilege of the Mad Hatter here.
I don't know. I don't know.
So it's still jury's
what this conveys.
Yeah, jury's still out. That poor guy needs attention, I guess. So, okay, we're going to start in Port Angeles.
Okay. 4 houses.
Four houses closed last week. The first one is on
the cheapest,
Thank
least
you.
expensive. Were you going to say that?
Yeah. No. Well, I'm going to
go for it.
Okay. So this one is on Craig Attitude, and it's
Craig Attitude
Avenue.
Jeez.
Craig Avenue. Well, they will start today. And this is kind of up the hill from us.
By the college.
Yeah, by the college up there.
Yeah, because we're going to describe kind of where these homes are.
So this is on a manufactured home, I believe, is it?
Nope.
It's not. Okay. Stick built. Wow, $219,950.
Low ceilings.
Yeah, low ceilings, okay. And it sold actually for $246,000, a little over $26,000 over. 3 bedrooms, 1 bath.
1 day on the market, dang.
Yeah, 0 half baths. People are desperate for economical homes. I mean, the average home price is way too high, about $400 probably. Yeah. And so this was built in 1977, has 1,056 square feet, and 0.11 of an acre.
Okay. Next house is on East 2nd. This will be Gail's Addition, down by the water and Saltwater Mountain View. It was listed for $325 and it sold for $330. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 5 days on the market, built in 1959 with 1,245 square feet on 0.28 of an acre and a saltwater view. So Gail's Addition is, we've talked about it before. It's east of town. It will be incorporated at some point. It's a mix. The properties along the water, like this East 2nd, are nice.
Yeah,
pretty nice. This one I don't know because of the price, but
there is a gradual gentrification project happening, which people of means move into a poor area and then fix things up. So, and actually I've heard the theory that the reason that we haven't incorporated it yet, aside from the cost of making sure it all has sewer, part of it only has sewer, then the rest are septics, is that, and I don't know if this is a fact, but I've heard this said, as long as the city is under 20,000, that's not true?
No, because that group voted against it.
Oh, okay.
They did not want to pay the money to.
Well, what I heard was, as long as the city is under 20,000, the state will maintain Highway 101, which is like 10 miles going through the city, and we don't have to. But anyway, that's kind of a lame excuse. The next one is on Kathleen Street, and this one is listed for $515,000, sold at asking.
Wow.
3 bedrooms, 2 baths.
0 days.
0 days on the market, built in 2008, so a pretty new little place, built in 1967. I'm sorry, square feet is 1,967, 0.21 of an acre, and they have a view of the city. I'm not sure about that. But.
That's on the west side. It's a nice development, all new homes, newer homes. Anyway, moving along to the last house in Port Angeles was on West 4th Street. Oh, shoot. That's my
your
phone.
I know. Would you get it? Sorry.
What am I going to do, kids? I don't even have a cover for it.
Did it break?
Nah.
Okay, guys. Would
Your
you put it on?
mitts off my phone.
Would you put it on this so it doesn't blow away?
You got a bird here. Put the
I know.
bird on.
Okay, I'll put the bird. Okay, there we go.
All right, we're back at West 4th. It's a view area overlooking, it's over by the paper mill, which doesn't smell. It's one of those. Makes cardboard for Amazon.
Okay. Luckily, we rehearsed this.
Luckily, the wind is going to.
Yeah, let's wrap it up. My ears are freezing.
I know. Okay. We only have a couple more.
Okay.
Wait.
Are you done yet?
We listed at $535. It's sold for $527. 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 120 days on the market. Built in 1977, which is a good year for nothing. And 2684 square feet on 0.33 with a saltwater view.
All right. The next one is in Sequim, Oregon. Actually, this is Sequim, Washington.
Oregon.
Yeah, I know. There's a.
Yeah,
is there a CQ down there? No, that's Washington.
We're still at 22. Go.
Still at 22. Okay. So this is on Rock Rose Avenue.
You know where that is?
I don't know. Is that in?
The complex of manufactured homes all over where the farm used to be.
Okay. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so this is $334,500 sold at asking. 3 bedrooms, 1 bath,
did.
1 half bath.
It did not sell at asking.
Okay. Oh, the 330. Oh, 344. Okay.
500. What am I gonna do, people?
Anyway, the eyes are a little blurry. Starting to lose focus.
Starting to freeze.
Just haul me in if I stiffen up, would you? Okay, so anyway, sold over asking, and 455 days on the market. Holy
Jeez.
moly!
And then it went over asking.
Yeah, so who knows how that works? So
I don't know.
okay, you got the next one.
Somebody got desperate finally.
Yeah.
You finished that one?
Yeah.
Leaseland, not Leaseland. Okay, Duke Drive is the next one. It was listed for $485. It sold for $469,200. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 8 days on the market. Built in 1998 with 1,538 square feet, 0.27 of an acre, and a mountain view.
All right.
Okay, we got 3 more.
Right along. Okay. How you doing? We debated if we'd do this inside, and said, no,
Well, where we would sit was backlit, so
Yeah.
you'd never see all these stupid expressions.
Anyway, so this is on Cascadia Loop in Sequim. Originally priced for $565,950, sold for $527,000. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 74 days on the market. Built in 2007 with 1,775 square feet on a little more than 1/3 of an acre with a territorial view.
Do you know where this is?
No, I don't.
It's North Sunland. It's a townhouse.
Oh, yeah,
There's
okay.
another one attached to
Great.
it. Okay. Moving along, second to last house is on West Nelson, which is way, way up at the north end of Sequim. $978,000. That's what it's sold for.
Wow, nice.
2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 5 days on the market. Built in 2015 with 2,224 square feet on 2 acres, and that whole area you can see saltwater. So
Yeah, last home in Sequim.
that would be where the blue hole would be too.
Yeah. Yeah, you want to explain
we've talked about it
Yeah, the
before.
blue hole. Okay. So the next one is on Owl's Nest Road, and this is originally asked for $995,000 and sold for $1,052,700. So considerably over the original asking. So happy sellers there. Built in 2007, large home, 4,082 square feet,
Wow,
and it has an acre and a saltwater view.
that's
So
a pretty one.
sounds like quite a place there. So thanks for watching, those of you who actually watched this all the way through to the end.
Hope you're warm. Or
Yeah, I know. My first job out of college was Des Moines, Iowa.
Here we go.
Yeah. No, I mean, if you're from Des Moines, you kind of scoff at us complaining about 22. That's called a heat wave in the middle of winter.
Okay.
I remember it got up to, went from 20 below to 10 over, and gosh, we were outside in our shirt sleeves. Anyway, those are the Iowans. Have a great week. Be back in a week.
Bye.